Welcome to the lesson summary on what data scientists do. In this session, we will recap the key roles and responsibilities of data scientists as explored in our previous lessons. Data scientists play multiple roles, starting with data collection from various sources. They also focus on data cleaning to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the data for analysis. Data scientists utilize various analysis techniques. Statistical analysis helps in understanding data trends, while machine learning algorithms enable predictions based on historical data. This quote encapsulates the essence of data science. It highlights the importance of transforming data into actionable insights, a key takeaway from our lessons. To be effective, data scientists need key skills. Proficiency in programming languages like Python and a solid understanding of statistics are essential for data manipulation and interpretation. Collaboration is a significant aspect of a data scientist's role. They often work with cross-functional teams and must possess strong communication skills to convey insights effectively. Data science has numerous real-world applications. From healthcare to finance, its impact is profound and transformative across industries. Data visualization is crucial for communicating insights. Using visual tools helps present complex information clearly, while effective storytelling connects data insights with real-world implications. Ethical considerations are vital in data science. Protecting user data and addressing bias in algorithms are essential for building trust and ensuring fairness in decisions. This quote emphasizes the responsibility data scientists have regarding ethics. As we learned, ethical considerations are crucial in the field of data science. Looking ahead, the field of data science is evolving. AI integration is reshaping the landscape, and the demand for skilled data scientists continues to grow. Continuous learning is essential in the rapidly changing field of data science. Engaging with the community through networking opportunities fosters professional growth and knowledge exchange. In conclusion, data scientists play a crucial role in transforming data into insights. Their skills, collaboration, and ethical considerations are key to their success in the field. As we conclude, remember to embrace the changes in the data science field. Staying curious and seeking to learn will drive your growth and innovation. Thank you for joining us in this lesson summary. We hope you found it informative and engaging as you continue your journey in data science. As you move forward, continue to explore the fascinating world of data science. Each lesson builds on the last, so stay engaged and curious.